Oh, just redid this wire here for the starter solenoid. Just part of growing pains with a fresh build. Just had some wire routing where it was able to pull the connector off the starter solenoid. So we're gonna get to hear what this thing sounds like in a second. Luckily, it was an easy fix.
Fingers crossed.
Oh, it'll start now. And moment of truth. This thing's so rowdy. It's so much deeper than it was before.
Oh yeah. And it doesn't really get too loud until you really open it up.
Yeah.
It stays kind of low, which I like.
When you get into VTEC, it makes the fucking world stop though. My God, my ears are ringing.
No, VTEC's off.
Oh really?
VTEC's off. It hasn't even hit VTEC.
God damn. Well, that was probably about 6,000, 7,000 RPM. It's still got another 2,000 to go beyond that at least.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I can't wait to hear once the tune's wrapped up.
Yeah.
You're gonna blow me away, dude. Yeah. Next one.
Huh?
Next one.
Oh, shoot.
So that's a wrap. I'm excited to see how it runs and sounds, and especially how it pulls once the tune's all finished up. This is just a base map, so VTEC isn't even activated currently. but it's going back to another buddy of ours' house who actually did the swap. They're gonna button up some last little things, and then it's off to the tuner and getting some stickier tires on it to put that power down. So it's going to be a fun summer for Alex with this thing, and looking forward to possibly next winter's turbo build. So stay tuned, hit the subscribe button if you haven't, and thanks for watching. Alright, I've been busy, so I skipped ahead to the good part. Here it is, all wrapped up, completely welded out. Hangers are on. It's kind of cool the way the MR2 hangers are. They actually bolt to the rubber isolators. I like that a lot better in the Volkswagen style. So I'll get it thrown up on the car and show you guys how it looks at home where it belongs. And then maybe if you're lucky, I'll start it. We'll see. Might wait for the owner to get here. Well, what's the matter to you? It'll all be in the same video. But yeah, let's get to it.